Hi, I am Miss L. 吕老师. Today we will finish all the rest of Pinyin in one quick class. Super easy, no boring stuff, and you will know it. New learners, don't miss our 10 minutes lesson 1 for the basics. And you will become a Pinyin pro by the end of today. Quick warm-up, read after me. Pour, pour, more, for, the, n, l, pour, more, for, the, n, l. Great! Let's dive in today's first new group. G, k, h. Now try to repeat after me. G, k, h, g, k, h, g, k, h. Good! Now let's move on to our smile group. G, qi, c. Close your upper and lower teeth and smile wide. And let your tongue touch the back of the lower teeth. Now try to repeat after me. Ji, qi, xi, ji, qi, xi, ji, qi, xi. Perfect! You're already on a roll. Now let's move on to the flat tongue group. Relax your lips. Flatten your tongue. And repeat after me. Ci, 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 zi, ci, ci, zi, ci, ci. Good! Now welcome to the curl tongue group. There are 4 members. Zhi, shi, shi, ri. Curl your tongue up a little bit. And pout your lips at the same time. Now try to repeat after me. Zhi, shi, shi, ri, zhi, shi, shi, ri, zhi, shi, shi, ri. On the last 2 consonants, I, U, just sound the same as the finals, I, U. Now repeat after me. I, U, I, U. You are picking this up so fast, great job! Now quick review. Initials. Bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ji, qi, xi, zi, ci, si, zhi, shi, shi, ri, i, u. Last time we've learned the 6 call finals. A, O, E, I, U, Y. The other finals are basically made up of them. The first group is combined finals, literally made up with 2 call finals. Now let's try. A, I, 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 A, U, I, way, way, A, O, ow, 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 o, u, o, 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 e, u, 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 e, ye, 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 ü, yue, yue, yue. And we have a special one here. Here means your tongue just curl up a little bit. It's not that hard, right? Just blend the sounds together and read them smoothly. Now quick review. I, a, way, ow, o, u, ye, yue, I, a, way, ow, o, u, ye, yue, Nasal finals. When you find n in Pinyin, just remember n for nose. Just use your nose. With the nasal finals, you'll find your nose vibrating when you pronounce them. There are two groups of nasal finals. Group 1. 前鼻音 without g. Grab your mouth like you're smiling. Press your tongue against the back of your lower front teeth. Now repeat after me. A, an, n, i, yin, u, wen, yu, yun, an, n, yin, wen, yun, an, n, yin, wen, yun. Group 2. 后鼻音 end with g. If you find a g in it, just open your mouth wide. Keep your tongue in the middle of your mouth, at least 1 centimeter away from your front teeth. Now repeat after me. A, ang, eng, i, yin, o, ong, ang, eng, yin, ong, ang, eng, yin, ong. Afraid that you can't memorize all of these sounds? No worries, as we learn and read more and more words later, they will just stick with us naturally. So just calm down, relax, and feel it with your heart, okay? Let's move on. Sometimes we will have a medial vowel, e. E, a, ya, ya. E, ye, ye. E, ao, yao, yao. E, u, you, you. E, an, yen, yen. E, ang, yang, yang. E, ong, yong, yong. And sometimes with medial vowel, u. U, a, wa, wa. U, o, wo, wo. U, I, y, y. U, i, wei, wei. U, an, wan, wan. U, ang, wang, 汪，wang, wang, wang. Or with medial vowel 吁，吁约，约，吁安，渊，渊，吁呢，晕，晕。Right now, can you believe it? You got all the pinyin down now. That's awesome. At last, let's do the most amazing part. Spelling. 我爱你我爱你I love you 谢谢Thank you 的位对波物不起对不起 Sorry 资爱在基宴见再见 See you 的窝多诗熬少七言钱多少钱 How much 知恩真波昂棒真棒 Very good Yes, congratulations You are now officially not a Chinese pinyin beginner anymore Give yourself a big thank you for learning this far Next time, I will show you the spelling and reading rules Strengthen your pinyin and make sure you can read any pinyin you ever encounter I am Miss L, 吕老师 See you next time 再见